omukoro gutandikira n'abejaba bari kutambura okwetorora mu rurembo rwa Mbarara. Nabwanyuma bejaba basimbire nyirire zirambwira abagenyi bizoba.
We are imploring on you, love yourself. Go for the pillar of human development called good living and a long life.
In terms of discipline and academics, we have moved so far. We emphasize guide and counseling as a pillar of mentoring a citizen of tomorrow.
We launched a new strategic national program to inculcate norms and values of patriotism in institutions.
RCC Robert Kanusu ashabire begeso butaro hawo bwagumize ngu nubo musinge gwa Uganda nungi.
That you want these children to be the leaders of tomorrow of quality. This country has had issues to do with the patriotism, and I think that's why the Commander-in-Chief decided that we should put more effort into inculcating patriotism into the young children.
Be ambassadors for protection and promoters of the universal human rights. Please, everywhere you go, ensure that you're part of the humanity, the spirit of Ubuntuism.
A maggot, a caterpillar, came into the flower and the seed did not grow. We are not the Uganda, we are not the people who are supposed to be.
Abejaba batwire nibatendekwe ebintu bitari mwe na mu mushomogu kandi bayoreka bimwe omukomore mbundu hamwe n'emizane etari emwe n'emwe rukwegesa gasha kwa Eliakiza.